this is Sydney Phelps. This is lab 4, the video lab for the lymphatic system. Here's my name and date. Sorry I'm ghetto and used a paper towel. So today for this lab, I'm going to be describing where some lymphatic organs are, and these would include the thymus, spleen, tonsils, appendix, Peyer's patches, cervical lymph nodes, and axillary lymph nodes, and then I'm going to talk about the drainage of lymph throughout the body. So we'll start off with the thymus. So the thymus is located in between your sternum and your heart, basically. So on my body it would be like probably right in this area, but internally. So that's where the thymus is. The spleen, this lies under your diaphragm on the left side of your abdominal cavity. So it would probably be about right in this area somewhere. This is my left side of my body. So that's where the spleen would be, but it's on the inside, obviously. So your tonsils, that's the next lymphatic structure. These are actually found in the back of your throat. I feel kind of awkward opening my mouth, but they're just back in there. They're next to your uvula, however you say that, that little dangling thing in your throat, but they're more in the back. When you're sick, you'll feel them swell up sometimes, and it kind of gets hard to breathe. Okay, so your appendix, this hangs off of your large intestine. So basically it's on your right side of your body, like down in this area. If people are having a sharp pain in their right side of their body, normally that's your appendix. We aren't too sure, really. We can live without the appendix. We're not too sure of exactly its importance completely. So the next structure is the Peyer's patches. So these are located in your small intestine, which would be in this area somewhere. But usually they're attached to the ileum of the small intestine, but they can be found in the other 2 places of your small intestine as well. But these are important because they help you with digestion. Yes, okay. All of these structures are important, by the way. So your cervical lymph nodes, there's plenty of these, but you'll find them just like anywhere. Like you can have them right here, you can have them in your neck, underneath here. We actually have a lot of lymph nodes. So there's multiple cervical lymph nodes in your face. I think we have about 300 in our body or so. So yes, there's a lot of them. And then the axillary lymph nodes, these are under your armpit, usually in this area. Okay, so yeah, those were all the structures. So now I'm going to talk about the flow of the lymphatic system. So the lymphatic system aids your immune system because it just basically removes all of the toxins. It absorbs fats, and it just removes excess fluid that has toxins or debris or dead cells, and actually cancer cells too as well. So the lymph actually flows up. It only goes in one direction. It doesn't circulate like your blood does. So usually I'm so sorry, it's just hard to memorize everything. Okay, so lymphatic capillaries usually takes the lymph from your tissues. So usually the lymph is the extracellular fluid, but it has cellular waste and proteins and, a bunch of debris. So these will leave, all of this junk will leave through lymphatic capillaries, and then from there they will make their way to the lymphatic vessels. So all of these tubes are usually deeper in your body, and then from there, so usually they're located near some major veins, yes. And basically your muscles cause the lymphatic vessels to contract and push the lymph up towards your thoracic region. So who would have thought? Walking actually is very good for you if you're getting sick or whatever, because it causes your lymphatic system to push everything up and just get rid of it. So, in my bad earlier I said there's only like 300 lymph nodes. I lied. Don't know where I got that number from, but there's actually 600 to 700 lymph nodes in the average human body. But anyways, so these lymphatic vessels they're all going up towards your thoracic cavity. We have lymph nodes. So yeah, these filter the lymph before it returns to the circulatory system. So these are important. This is where the lymphatic vessels go through. These get rid of all the junk. And then finally, this lymph will drain into your circulatory system with your blood. And it usually, there's left and right areas. It's like near your armpits. So usually it's your subclavian veins where this leaves, I'm pretty sure. Yes. So yeah, that's basically what happens. Goes through your right and left lymphatic ducts before it's released back into your blood, and everything is cleared out and all the junk's gone, and yes, that's basically your lymph, and that is lab 4. So thanks for watching.